beautiful home should feel easy the moment you step in. And this one does exactly that. Welcome to 256 Compassvale Road. A spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 5-room improved HDB with northeast facing main door, offering 116 square meters of living space right here in the heart of Sengkang. It's bright, airy, and very well maintained. The kind of home where you can move in comfortably today, yet still have the flexibility to enhance it over time to match your own style. This 3-bedroom layout is bright, spacious, and very practical for daily living. You don't have to overthink this space. Everything flows naturally. As you enter, on your left side, you'll see this very spacious kitchen. It's big enough to even place a dining table here, so you can comfortably cook and dine in the same space. There's also plenty of storage and countertop space, making daily cooking very practical. With some simple upgrades like new cabinets and brighter lighting, this kitchen can look very fresh and modern. Right next to the kitchen, you'll find a dedicated space currently used as a prayer or puja room. It's nicely tucked away, giving you a quiet and private corner for daily prayers. If needed, you can also customize this space with built-in shelving or storage to suit your family's needs. Moving further in, you'll come to the living and dining area. The space here is wide and comfortable, so you can easily place a large sofa, a TV console, and still have enough room for a proper dining setup. It feels bright and airy, making it a nice place for family time or gatherings. With simple touches like a feature wall, ceiling lights, and light-toned flooring, you can make this space look modern and cozy. From the living area, if you walk towards the front, you will come to the balcony. This is a nice extension of the living space. You can place a chair, a small table, or even a swing to create a relaxing corner. As you move further in, you'll come to the bedroom section. The master bedroom is spacious and comfortable, easily fitting a king-sized bed and wardrobes, with enough space to move around. You can add built-in wardrobes and warm lighting to create a more relaxing feel. The other 2 bedrooms are also well-sized and easy to plan. You can place a bed, study table, or even use one as a home office. Overall, the bedroom area is nicely separated, giving you good privacy and a comfortable space for rest. Bathrooms are simple and functional, and with small upgrades like new fittings, glass shower screens, and tiles, you can give them a clean and updated look. Overall, this is a home that's easy to live in now. And with some simple renovation ideas, it can become a space that truly fits your lifestyle. And when it comes to pricing, this unit is positioned very attractively in today's market. With its strong location and connectivity, along with many primary and secondary schools nearby, it continues to attract good demand, which supports both future value growth and a safer exit over time. And once you step out of the home, the convenience of this location is something you'll really appreciate every day. You're within 5 minutes walk to Sengkang MRT, giving you easy access across Singapore. And within just about 5 minutes walk, you have multiple LRT stations like Compassvale, Sengkang, and Chenglim, making daily travel very convenient. You also have bus stops like Block 259C, Compassvale Station Exit A, and Block 248A just a short walk away, along with many more nearby, making your daily commute very convenient. For families, this is a strong location. You have Compassvale Primary School within 5 minutes walk, along with Sengkang Primary, North Spring Primary, and Rivervale Primary nearby. For secondary schools, Compassvale Secondary and CHIJ, St. Joseph's Convent are also within close reach. You also have Global Indian International School within about a 5 minutes drive, adding even more convenience for families. For your daily needs, everything is just around you. A short walk brings you to Prime Supermarket for your everyday groceries, and you also have cold storage and fair price nearby. Also, when you need more choices, Compass One and Rivervale Mall are just minutes away. Whether it's dining, shopping, or daily essentials, everything is within easy reach. Sengkang itself is known for being a peaceful, family-friendly estate with plenty of greenery and open spaces, giving you that balance between city access and a more relaxed lifestyle. So if you're thinking long-term, this is a place where both your daily living and family needs are well taken care of. And that's a quick look at what this home has to offer. A comfortable space, a practical layout, and a location that supports your everyday needs. It's a home that allows for easy living today and flexibility for the future. If this feels like something suitable, feel free to contact Kumar for more information or to schedule a visit.